Hello, I'm Marcus and welcome to a new episode of EV Journey. Today I wanted to show you two things. Now we are in October of 2020. This is the first software of the ID.3 first. We haven't got the latest update which should be coming in January, so just keep that in mind. So I wanted to show you video, how do you play a video on the ID.3, and also how does Spotify work, etc. from the ID.3, but you have to have Spotify on your phone or Audible on your phone, etc. Exactly how does that integration work with Bluetooth? A lot of people have been saying they want Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and hopefully these are coming out in the big release in January. But I'm going to show you Spotify, Audible, other things like that work just fine when you stream them from Bluetooth on your car, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So please click subscribe below. I think I've got almost 850 so far, so extra 150, and that'd be great to have 1,000 subscribers and do the 1,000 kilometer challenge in Portugal. What do we need to play video? So first of all, you need a USB thingamajig. This one's got USB this side, and it's got the old style USB this side. This is actually, I think it's Kingston. It's very nice. It's got something to protect the USB-C. So what we have to do is we have to stick that in here. There's a bit of a mess down here, all the cables and stuff. So we stick that in here, and I'm going to put the volume down because I don't want it to play any music at the moment. So if we select it there, the media, and here you have to keep going back, this, and back again until you get to videos. Here you get to videos, see? So what you do, you click on one of the video files. Now it seems to accept any video files, MP4, MOV, etc. Probably all the popular formats. So you click on the video file and all you hear is sound. So how do you actually get the video? Well, here, if you can see, there's a little white line. You have to drag this little white line across here like this, and there you get video. Unfortunately, it doesn't fill the whole screen. It only fills this part of the screen. So hopefully on the next update, it will be able to fill the whole screen. If you press this button here, then it goes back to that. And to get it back big again, we have to press this here. It's disappeared now, so as you can see, I put the volume up. You can watch video.
Let me just check the ingredients, asks Kakamustik.
This is The Adventures of Kakamustik. Stories that my daughter writes. This story is particularly interesting because they talk about palm oil, and the characters actually go and visit Indonesia. Also in this story, it tells you how to create chocolate spread without using palm oil. And the chocolate spread is absolutely delicious because I've tried it. So here we can play lots of different videos on the ID.3. Now if you do want to listen to this story, it's actually in French, English and Portuguese. I'll leave the links below. Please go and visit my daughter's YouTube channel and click subscribe. And this video is very interesting. So now let's go on to Spotify. So first of all, I have to actually put Spotify on my phone, which I've already done. And probably you've got Spotify on your phones as well. I'm going to keep the volume of the car really low because obviously you're not meant to play music and stuff on YouTube. But this is just to show you how the controls work. So as you can see here, I've got some classical music. So on the phone we've got the controls for Spotify, etc. And this is Prelude and Fugue in D major by Bach, of course. So here we can see it's in big, but let's just make it smaller like that. So here we've got the map view and we've got the audio view here. So what you can actually do, it's actually linked into Spotify now, is you can actually pause it without pressing anything on the phone. You can press play and you can skip to the next track. So let's just wait, let's skip to the next track. Is it skipping to the next track? You see it skip to the next track now. Another one by Bach. And you can actually skip backwards here. It takes you to start. I think I have to press twice. You see, we go back to the Prelude and Fugue of Bach. So as you can see, integration with Spotify is actually very good. Now I'm going to put an audiobook on now, just to show you that it's the same. So you don't necessarily have to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You know, it works fine without it. You just need a phone with a Bluetooth connection. So currently in audiobooks, I'm listening to The Man in the High Castle. So here you see it's the same. You can pause it, which is very useful when you're driving, because sometimes you want to pause the audiobook and you can press play again. You see, this was something that wasn't possible in my C4 Cactus with Bluetooth. So it's really useful to be able to pause and play and skip ahead and backwards audiobooks or Spotify tracks, etc. Obviously, it would be better if it was more like the Tesla Model 3 and actually had Spotify on the tablet interface. Apparently, Volkswagen are saying that may come. So in fact, it might have Spotify without Android Auto and without Apple CarPlay. But I just wanted to do this short video to show you how to play videos on the ID.3. Unfortunately, it doesn't take up the whole screen yet. And how Spotify and audiobook and other kind of Bluetooth integration works with the phone. Seems very good to me, working fine. So I'm very happy with that part of the software currently. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to click subscribe. Also go and visit my daughter's YouTube channel and find out how to create chocolate spread without palm oil. It's very easy and it's absolutely delicious. Thank you again.